Now we see the comparison of Classicism and Keynesianism. In this Keynesianism, the first point is short-run equilibrium. Keynes advocates short-run equilibrium, whereas in classical economists support long-run equilibrium. Saving is a vice, saving is a social virtue. The function of money is a medium of exchange in Keynesianism. The function of money is an act of medium of exchange. And then macro approach to national problems. Here in classicism, micro approach in all the problems. Then state intervention is advocated. Then here they are following the laissez-faire policy. Then in Keynesianism, applicable to all situations of the employment, full employment and less than full employment is there in the economy. Here in a classicism set, only for full employment situation be prevailing. And then capitalism has inherent contradictions. Here capitalism is well and good, is it? Then Keynes said budgeting should be adjusted to the requirements of the economy. Here they said balanced budget only is there in economy. Then Keynes explains the equality between saving and investment is advanced through changes in income. Here equality between saving and investment changes of rate of interest. Keynes said only changes in income it determines, whereas classicism says only rate of interest determines the investment. Rate of interest determines the demand for and supply of money. Classicism said rate of interest is determined by saving and investment. Just you keenly noted this point. Rate of interest is determined by demand for supply of money. Then here classicism said determines saving and investment only determine the rate of interest. Rate of interest is a flow, whereas rate of interest is a stock in classicism. Demand creates its own supply is for Keynesianism. Supply creates its own demand is for classicism. Rate of interest is a reward for parting with liquidity. Rate of interest is reward for saving. In classicism they said rate of interest is reward for saving. Here rate of interest is a reward for the liquidity preference.